I don't know why you tripping. Like she gonna find out. You stupid. Oh my God, this dude stays sick. I mean, like every single day. I come in this mug, I be like, "What's up, Shaun?" He be like, or sneeze or something. I bet he got all type of phlegm and mucus in his beard. Just might need to buy this man some shampoo. I mean, what? How much is medication these days? Do we need to start a GoFundMe account so he could purchase him some Mucinex and some Ricola or something? I mean, golly, this dude is getting on my last nerves. They need to quarantine his desk, put some bubble wrap around that